Right, it's a nice sunny day today, so I thought I'd take advantage of this weather and get some of this outdoor work done. Just on this building here. Let's bring the camera around the front. Big building here. Got some high level lights, there's one over there, and there's a couple of bollards here. Basically all the external lighting. Just got to check those. There's a couple of bollards over there, one there. There's a few dotted around actually. So we've got those to check. We're going to override all the lighting, see what's working, what's not, and then do any repairs as necessary. So just up there at the top of my ladders, that there is the dusk to dawn sensor which controls these external lights. So these lights are controlled by this photocell sensor here. What a lot of people do is just cover these up with a cloth or something like that, or a glove or something, and then that makes it think it's dark and powers them up. However, what I've done is I've taken the bits of an old broken sensor head. You can see that there. And basically I just soldered a wire between the live in and the live out, so I don't have to mess around covering that up, because many a times you cover it up, walk around the other side of the building and the wind's blowing your cover off, your towel or whatever you cover up with. So I'm just going to pop that old one out like that, and my test one in, and that should power all those external lights up. So now we'll just have a walk around and see what's working and what's not. I've had a quick walk around now that they're all overridden, and I think there's 4 of these ones not working. They just take a normal bayonet cap lamp. Just want to take the cover off this one just to check what's flickering there. Yeah. There's a little compact fluorescent, that lamp holder needs fixing back in. That lamp's obviously on its way out. So yeah, just a little bayonet cap type fitting. Right, I've fixed the lamp holder up with the 2 screws. Just pop a new lamp in. Oh, I just have to support that a bit. There you go, new lamp in. That one's working. I'll just screw the cover on. Also up here we have a high level sodium floodlight out, and there's one just over there. I don't think you can really see it, just on the side there. That's not working either, so I'll get up there, we'll try a lamp in there, see if that works. Right, I've just done the 5 screws from this cover. Managed to drop a couple down there somewhere. I'll find them in a bit. As you can see, the lamp is pretty black, looks knackered, so I'll unwind that, try a replacement in. I just noticed this cover was loose, and I just pulled it off. I don't know if you can see in there, I don't want to poke in with my finger, but the earth, or CPC even, isn't connected to that terminal block. So there's a little repair I need to do as well. I'll go and get a lamp from the van, and then we'll get that repaired as well. So here's some lamps that I've got out the van. This one here is the original one that came out that light. Now it looks the same shape as that, but it's actually a different lamp, because these have a igniter built into them rather than the light fitting itself. So it'll actually be one of these ones that'll fit in this light fitting. Alright, that's a new lamp in, but there's also a photocell sensor on the side here. I'm just going to cover that up and we'll see if that fires up. There we go. It'll take a little while to warm up, and then they eventually become an orange type of light. Right, I've put an extra screw in there, that's all back up. This is all working. I want to put this lid, this cover back on. I found the screws that I've dropped, so we'll get all that put back together. Right, this is the second floodlight. I think this one's going to be okay. The lamp looks pretty good. I'll just cover the photocell sensor up there. Let's see if that fires up. Yeah, You can see that's firing up there. That one's perfectly fine then. House manager thought there was only one not working, but when I initially powered them all up, I noticed this was out as well. I didn't realise you had a separate photocell sensor on each light. That's then sorted. We've also got this bollard that's not working. Simple Allen key, undo that. Whoop, almost fell out there. And then just got to turn this, twist this top after there. So I just twisted that top and lift off. That's just got a normal bayonet cap lamp in. I can see the filament's gone in that. It's an old filament type. It's an Edison screw. I have to go and get one of those out the van. Got this LED lamp from the van. We'll try that in. Doesn't seem to be working. Neither does me tester. Oh. Yeah, I wonder if that's a dodgy lamp. I'll go and get another one from the van. We'll try another one, I think. Right, I've tried 3 different lamps in here. None of them work, so I'm going to whip this cover off here. Just have a look, see what's underneath. I think we'll have to do a bit of testing on the wiring. Right, so inside here we've got a couple of armoured cables coming in. These have got a fuse carrier. Right, got the good old faithful multimeter out, set the continuity. Just check this little fuse here. Try and do this one-handed. Just tested that side. Yep, see, multimeter's working. There's a problem, fuse blown. I'm in the van and I'm looking for a fuse like that. Sure I had. Yeah, that's one there, 6 amp. Yep, that'll fit. We'll pop that in and give it a whirl. Fuse into the fuse carrier there. We'll go and pop it in the lamp post and see if it works. Got the new fuse fitted in the carrier, so we'll get that fitted back in there and get it to line up. Go, that's that in, just tighten that screw up there. And hopefully a new lamp will work. There we go. Job's a good one. Just got to get this cover back on and the top bit back on. That's that one done. Right, it's all these lights sorted. Just put a lamp in this one here. That's the last one of them to be done. I've now just got to go and put the photocell sensor back up there. The ladder's just up there. Get that one in and then they should be all back up and running as normal. Right, I'll remove the test sensor head. Put that in my pocket and then put the original one back in. So I have to have a look, see where have a larger prong on there. That one there goes in that one, and twist, and that's back in. They should all be back up and running as normal now. When it gets dark, they'll all come on. Job done. As I was checking the lights, I noticed this one here wasn't working. It's one of those, same as those type of fitting, old 2D type, putting LED equivalent. I whipped the cover off, and as you can see there, full of water. They've got a leak through this roof, so I'm going to whip that down. I think I'll just put a waterproof box on for now, just to make it safe, I think, until they get the roof fitted, then I'll come back and put a new light up. Okay, I've just terminated those cables into where it goes into this IP55 junction box. Just put a little bend on the cable there. If any water does come through, it'll obviously not go uphill and down, it'll just drip off there. I'll put that on, so I'll do as a temporary measure for now until they get the roof sorted, and then we'll put a new light up. Right, that's it done. As always, thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I'll see you all next time.